Now this is an awesome car. This is a Defender hardtop, which is a commercial, so the price that you see on screen is price plus VAT. It's a D250 on a 23 registration with 11,000 miles in Eiger Grey, but with a beautiful specification. As a matter of fact, massive specification, because normally a Defender commercial hardtop is very basic and it has nothing to offer other than the fact that you can put it for the business. Now this one looks stylish, it's super cool, and it has such things like the air suspension pack, which on a Defender 90 is just not heard of. So the air suspension pack is massive, but then you've got aesthetic features like the full extension arch kit, the pod lights on the top, the rear spoiler, the black styling, and I will go around and show you as much as possible. But let's start at the front. First of all, it's a new model Defender. They look brilliant. It's big, it's bulky. You've got LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. Now, as standard, you get 360 camera system. You get front rear parking sensors. Then this has the black badging, black grills, insert, front fog lights. You then got the black checker plates on the front here. And then you have on this one the 22-inch upgraded Hawke alloy wheels, which are in brand new condition, and they look beautiful. You've also got the black side steps, wing mirror covers, and the contrasting black roof. But then the interior, the first thing you'll notice is the air suspension, but look at that. Special mention to the jump seat. Now, a Defender 90 with a jump seat, with the air suspension pack, these things just don't come together. I'd say 1 in 50 has the air suspension and the jump seat. It's just such a rare thing to have, because being a commercial means you can use it every single day through the business, claim the VAT back. It's just a brilliant thing to have. And you've got 3 seats in the front, touchscreen media system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation. You've got heated seats, front and rear heated windscreen, and you have the full digital driver's display. There's USBs and USCs all over the car. If you're not going to use that middle jump seat, then you can pull it down, and that creates a huge armrest with twin cup holders as well. This is amazing, and I mean it, but it gets better, because this car, like I said, has all the styling. There's the urban style rear spoiler, the LED rear lighting system, hardback spare wheel cover, and you've also got the detachable towbar there, which is nice to have. In here, you have got lockable space, and that's tons of it. The car's done 11,000 miles in a very good condition. You can lower the back end by pressing one button, because it has got air suspension. The condition is mind-blowing. There's no dents, there's no scratches. Been very well looked after. If you're in the market for a Defender 90 and you want to improve for the business, claim the VAT back on it, then this is it. Not your boring Defender commercial. Then this one with the wheels, with a black styling. And if you check this out, all that's colour-coded. It's like nothing else on the market, really. And then you can go and do more to it. Yes, of course you can. Push button start. This one's got the heated steering wheel, lane assist, cruise control. There's the full digital dashboard. You've got a lovely soft lever on the steering wheel and the lever gear shifter as well. Put it into reverse and your 360 camera system kicks into place straight away. There's the air suspension button, which means you can lift it or drop it as you please. This is absolutely awesome. 11,502 miles in Eiger Grey with the black styling pack and the full extra package that this car has to offer. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.